my name is Kaitlin Howard and I'm a fight coordinator, and I'm here to help rehearsals this afternoon. In stage combat, the entire design is to not at all, and it's all pretend. It's kind of like a magic trick. It's kind of, you've done the punch, bang, there. It's step and grab together. You come in and you have to be aware that there are lots and lots of eyes looking at something all at the same time, so it has to work for a much wider range. On stage you have to make sure that everything is covered and that they are always in the right place at the right time, because they only get one go at it per show. I've been brought in to, as far as I know, do a short sort of fight between them where one of them will get knocked to the ground. But I can't really give too much away because I don't want to ruin the drama.
A ti dal yn ffyddiog wnaethon nhw'n y cyfiawnder i dy waith?
Yndw, na, wrth gwrs. Swn i'n yma fel arall, mynd i pwt